वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड। मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं द फेस्टिव मूड एंड एक्साइटमेंट इज स्टिल ऑन। और क्योंकि आपसे कल मुलाकात नहीं हुई, हैप्पी दशहरा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। वैसे इंडिया के कुछ पार्ट्स में आज भी दशहरा मनाया जा रहा है एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट ब्रिंग द फेस्टिव मूड ऑन द शो एंड सेलिब्रेट विद यू गाइज एंड ऑल्सो ब्रिंग यू द लेटेस्ट फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, बॉलीवुड एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। So without further ado, let the show begin.
Ridhima and Neetu Kapoor accompany Ranveer for Alia Bhatt's mom, Soni Razdan's birthday bash. Neha marries Rohanpreet with pomp and grandeur in Delhi. Jacqueline takes the hotness quotient a notch higher after hitting 46 million on Instagram. Sanjay and Manyata celebrate Dussehra as the actor announces recovery from a health setback. Kareena and Anushka flaunt their adorable baby bumps in style. Alia Bhatt has often been seen with Ranbir Kapoor's family. लेकिन इस बार the handsome actor and his family were invited by Alia and her sister Shaheen as they celebrated their mother Soni Razdan's 64th birthday party.
Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor made their relationship official almost 2 years ago. And उसके बाद we've seen how उनकी families भी एक दूसरे के काफी करीब आ गई है। Alia Bhatt was a pillar of support to Ranbir Kapoor when he lost his father earlier this year. And often on social media, we've seen pictures of Alia spending a lot of time with Neetu ji and Ranbir's sister Ridhima Kapoor. With whispers getting louder by the day of Alia and Ranbir's possible marriage, it was great to see the two families come together to celebrate a happy occasion together.
Alia and Shaheen decided to make their mother, veteran actor Soni Razdan's birthday extra special by organizing a small party at home with just close friends and family members and members of Alia's possible family to be. सोनी जी की पार्टी में 4 चांद लगाने आए आलिया के बॉयफ्रेंड रणबीर कपूर, उनकी बहन रिधिमा, मदर नीतू कपूर एंड रिधिमा's daughter Samara. Ranbir अपनी अलग गाड़ी में आए while Neetu ji was accompanied by her daughter and granddaughter to the celebration. While Alia was spotted recently at the Kapoor Raksha Bandhan celebration and the birthday celebrations of Neetu ji, Ranbir and his sister Ridhima's 40th birthday, ये शायद पहली बार है जब रणबीर और उनकी पूरी इमीडिएट फैमिली आलिया की मॉम का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने उनके घर गए। Alia and Shaheen each wished their mom on social media as well, expressing just how much she means to them with heartwarming words. We couldn't help but notice that the two lovebirds Ranbir and Alia were even wearing similar colored clothes for the occasion. While Ranbir chose a pale pink shirt and jeans, Alia looked stunning in a pink off-shoulder dress and minimal makeup. The actor posted a picture of herself and her mother and wrote, "They say when you're looking at your mother, you're looking at the purest love you'll ever know. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you so much." Her sister Shaheen, who shared an old black and white picture of her mom in which she looks absolutely stunning, added, "Happy birthday to the moral, emotional and geographical center of our family. I love you," she added. Alia and Shaheen also shared a family selfie with Soni ji and Mahesh Bhatt and some cute snaps of just the two sisters जो एक दूसरे के बहुत करीब है. Alia, who has become very close to the Kapoor family over time, was spotted by the paparazzi as she stood at the door to welcome Ranbir and his family and also waved to the press photographers from her balcony where she was spotted taking pictures of the guests. आलिया और शाहीन के साथ साथ रिधिमा ने भी पार्टी से फोटोग्राफ शेयर किए and it was lovely snaps of both the families posing together for the camera and looking very happy in each other's company. Ridhima captioned her post, "Happiest birthday, auntie." Looks like it was a fun day for the Kapoor Bhatt families and we can only hope कि ये छोटे छोटे सेलिब्रेशंस एक बड़े से बैंड बाजा वाले सेलिब्रेशन का इंडिकेशन हो। We can only wait and hope. Happy birthday, Soni ji. We hope you have a great year ahead. बिंदिया चमकी, चूड़ी खनकी, मेहंदी सजी हाथों में, ओढ़े प्यार का घूंघट, नेहा ने दिया अपने हाथ रोहनप्रीत के हाथों में। After weeks of anticipation, नेहा और रोहनप्रीत पूरे रीति रिवाज और ढेर सारे खुशियों के साथ हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ बन चुके हैं। The couple hosted a grand post-wedding party, जहां उनके कई इंडस्ट्री फ्रेंड्स जैसे मनीष पॉल एंड उर्वशी रौतेला भी मौजूद थे।
After months of unfortunate news, we finally have something to cheer about. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh, who have been teasing us with weeks of PDA, also collaborated as singers for the first time and carefully titled their first single, Nehu Davya. Everybody kept wondering whether this is just to promote their song. And turns out that the couple, who are much in love, also wanted to make the relationship official with friends and family around, have finally tied the knot.
नेहा ने एक चैरियट पे बैठ के ग्रैंड एंट्रेंस किया and she looked nothing less than a queen in a gorgeous red bridal lehenga with heavy jewelry and a heavy nose ring. नेहा और रोहनप्रीत ने एक रिवॉल्विंग स्टेज पर गार्लैंड्स एक्सचेंज किए बिफोर बिगिनिंग द फन एंड म्यूजिकली रिच इवनिंग विद देयर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। नेहा और रोहनप्रीत ने एक दूसरे के लिए अपनी मेलोडियस आवाजों में प्यार के गीत गाए। And the couple also danced the night away on foot-tapping Hindi and Punjabi numbers with their loved ones. Earlier in the day, खूबसूरत लाइट पिंक लहंगा एंड ब्राइडल ज्वेलरी में सज के नेहा ने अपने रोहनप्रीत के साथ दिल्ली के एक गुरुद्वारा में शादी की रस्में निभाई। A video shot by a wedding guest showed the couple dressed in similar light pink clothes, taking their pheras in a traditional Anand Karat ceremony as close family and friends showered them with their blessings. आनंद कराज की रस्म के साथ साथ एक और वीडियो शेयर हुआ है जहां नेहा और रोहनप्रीत एक दूसरे को वरमाला पहना रहे हैं और दोनों की खुशी और एक्साइटमेंट वाकई बहुत खास है। एक्टर उर्वशी ढोलकिया, जो नेहा की क्लोज फ्रेंड है, shared many updates on social media as she accompanied Neha from the hotel to the wedding venue. She also posed with the happy couple after the ceremony and wrote, "And my baby Nehu is married. Congratulations Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh. Love you both." A day before their big day, Neha की मेहंदी की रस्म celebrate हुई, where the couple looked stunning in matching green outfits as they posed for pictures. जैसे ट्रेडिशनली होता है, दुल्हन नेहा ने रोहनप्रीत का नाम अपनी मेहंदी में लिखा, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइडिंग इट इन हर मेहंदी, उन्होंने अपने प्यार का इजहार किया एक खास अंदाज में बाय राइटिंग हर स्पेशल समवन्स नेम ऑन हर रिंग फिंगर, द सेम फिंगर जिस पर रोहनप्रीत ने एक खास एंगेजमेंट सेरेमनी में नेहा को रिंग पहनाई, बट ओनली आफ्टर ही वेंट डाउन ऑन वन नी एंड आस्क्ड हिज बिलव्ड टू ऑफिशियली मैरी हिम. Congratulations to the both of you, Neha and Rohanpreet. We wish you a lifetime of happiness. Jacqueline Fernandez knows just how to stay in the limelight. As the good-looking star reached 46 million followers on a social media platform, she offered a special thank you to all her fans. A bouquet of flowers that sent the internet into a meltdown. Jacqueline, who will be seen opposite Salman Khan in Kick 2, spent several months of the lockdown at the Dabang Stars farmhouse with his family and other friends.
Bollywood stars are known to celebrate special milestones on social media by posting a thank you video or by organizing giveaway alerts for their fans. But looks like Jacqueline Fernandez decided कि उनकी खूबसूरती ही उनके fans के लिए तोहफा होगा. The actor, who is known for her fit physique, decided to kiss half her wardrobe goodbye and posed in just trousers and gulabon ka guldasta and left a little to the imagination. The actor looked ravishing and looks like as photo shoot ke baad she's soon going to reach 50 million followers on social media.
जैकलिन ने सलमान के साथ एक म्यूजिक वीडियो भी शूट किया, which was picturized on a love song sung by Salman and shot in the areas around his farmhouse, which have a lot of natural beauty. Jacqueline had also recently posted on social media that she had resumed work after a break of several months, और उन्होंने अपने वैनिटी वैन से एक फोटो शेयर किया to announce कि छुट्टी खत्म, काम शुरू. But looks like the actor had something special planned for the millions of people who follow her on social media. As she reached a new milestone of 46 million followers on a social media platform, Jacqueline ने अपने followers को दिया एक special treat by organizing a bold photo shoot with pictures that's sure to grab everyone's eyeballs. Posing in just trousers and a bouquet of roses, the aesthetically clicked photos make Jacqueline look both delicate and seductive all at once, और उनके ये bold photos उनको social media पर और भी popular करने वाली है. With these racy pictures, Jacqueline joins an exclusive group of women in Bollywood who have been bold enough to pose for the camera in unconventional and often controversial pictures. Most recently, Kiara Advani had created a huge furor after she ditched branded clothing for a large and strategically positioned leaf that catapulted Kiara to the top position amongst trending celebrities. कियारा से पहले दिशा पाटनी, आलिया भट्ट and बिपाशा बासु भी इस तरह के फोटो शूट्स कर चुके हैं, which are both bold and beautiful. Well, Jackie, Bollywood is a competitive world, और जो दिखता है और डिस्कस होता है वही पॉपुलर बनता है. आपका ये फ्लावर बुके वाला फोटोशूट कई दिनों तक गॉसिप में ब्लॉसम करेगा. Happy 46 million to you. It's time for an aggressive showdown on the sets of the reality show hosted by Salman Khan. After singer Rahul Vaidya accused Jan Kumar Sanu of depending on nepotism to survive. Singer Rahul Vaidya, who became popular after being a part of a reality show, and Jan Kumar Sanu, who is singer Kumar Sanu's son, have not been able to see eye to eye for quite some time now.
Just when we thought that सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, हिना खान और गौहर खान के एग्जिट करने से शो पे ड्रामा थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, there are new controversial things brewing on the sets of a reality show where contestants are locked up in a house for several months. With Kavita Kaushik's new entry, who's enjoying gossiping about other contestants, there was a big controversial nepotism issue between Rahul Vaidya and Jan Kumar Sanu.
दोनों के बीच टेंशन्स वर्सन हुए आफ्टर निकी तंबोली स्टार्टेड गेटिंग फ्रेंडली विद राहुल, जो जान को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. वहीं राहुल जान से नाराज थे क्योंकि उन पे बार बार ये इल्जाम लगाया गया कि वो एक अच्छे दोस्त नहीं है, while he feels he is a much better person than जान. जब वक्त आया अपने फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स को एलिमिनेशन के लिए नॉमिनेट करने का, तब राहुल मेड सम शॉकिंग स्टेटमेंट्स अगेंस्ट जान, accusing him of surviving only because of his father being कुमार सानू. इस बात से जान बहुत नाराज हुए and reportedly said that he is proud and fortunate to be Kumar Sanu's son. Unfortunately for Rahul, several other contestants supported John और उन्हें लगा कि राहुल के कमेंट्स गलत और unnecessary थे। जॉन ने गुस्से में आके राहुल से कहा, तेरी औकात नहीं है to take कुमार सानू's name। जहां एक तरफ नेपोटिज्म की आग लगी, वहीं सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, हीना खान एंड गौहर खान के एग्जिट के बाद ड्रामे का तड़का लगाने एंटर हुई है कविता कौशिक, who has also been given the duties of being a leader। कविता ने एंटर होते ही पवित्र के साथ झगड़ा कर लिया है एंड वॉज हर टेलिंग कि पवित्र जैसे लोगों को वो अपने घर में घुसने तक नहीं देती। Kavita also had an interesting conversation with Ejaz Khan where the two discussed if he was imitating Siddharth Shukla, an accusation Ejaz denied. The two were also seen gossiping about Rubina Dilak, who recently got very upset with Salman Khan after he allegedly referred to Abhinav Shukla as her saman. कविता commented कि रुबीना ने बहुत कलेश किया है and also accused her of being insecure about her husband Abhinav.
I see somebody reacting in a particular manner. I said, I wish I could react like that. And then when somebody does not react in the correct manner, you get to learn that, okay, these are situations that keep on coming in your daily life. So this is the way you should not react.
Well, looks like आने वाले हफ्तों में ड्रामा की कोई कमी नहीं होने वाली है इस रियलिटी शो पर। And with new gossip mongers and mischief makers joining in, असली ड्रामा तो अब शुरू होगा। मुश्किलों पर हुई हिम्मत की जीत। Sanjay Dutt and Manyata Dutt celebrated the festival of Dussehra with great joy as the actor announced his triumph over a health setback that had caused the family a lot of worry.
Sanjay Dutt has faced multiple setbacks in his career and personal life. From losing his mother at an early age to long courtroom battles and his stints in jail. Just when we thought that everything had stabilized in his life, he had a major health setback, which he later confirmed was a cancer diagnosis. But just a few days ago, much to everyone's happiness, the actor has shared that he is now cancer-free and will be fine very soon.
Sanjay, who has multiple films lined up for filming and release, including Torbaz, Bhuj the Pride of India, KGF and Shamshera, had shared in a social media post a few months ago that he was taking a break from work to deal with a health setback. The actor had not mentioned any details, but soon there were multiple rumors that the actor was battling an advanced stage of cancer. Sanjay's wife Manyata, who had flown down from Dubai, where she was with their twins, had also asked people to stop speculating about his illness and promised that Sanjay is मुश्किल का सामना डट के करेंगे. The actor, who was spotted at a Mumbai hospital as he visited for his treatment and even managed to complete some pending work for his films Sadak 2 and Shamshera. It was recently while doing a video with his hairstylist that Sanjay spoke about battling cancer and promised that he would defeat the illness.
This is the recent scar in my life, but I'll beat it. I'll beat it. I'll be out of this cancer soon.
Now, after months of treatment, prayers and good wishes from his fans and the actor's own fighting spirit, Sanjay has finally shared that he has recovered from the health setback. In a social media post, he wrote, "The last few weeks were a very difficult time for my family and me. And today, on the occasion of my kid's birthday, I am happy to come out victorious from this battle and be able to give them the best gift I can, the health and well-being of our family."
Thank you, Baba. Sorry.
This good news has made all his fans and colleagues in Bollywood also very happy, dedicating this Dussehra to someone who has been such an inspiration not only to me but to many others. Life has thrown many difficulties at him, but he has always fought back with patience, grace and love. And when we finally thought we had peace in our life, there was yet another challenge. Today, he has once again proven that a positive mind can win and conquer the worst situation with resilience and courage. अपने हस्बैंड की हिम्मत को प्रेस करते हुए मान्यता ने लिखा, There is truly no one like you, Sanju. You taught me when the going gets tough, only the tough gets going. You are my strength, my pride, my Ram. We are delighted to hear that Sanjay Dutt is on the road to recovery, and we can't wait to see him back on set and on the big screen again.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
Kareena and Anushka seem to be in complete mommy mode as the two talented actors flaunted their growing baby bumps and pregnancy glow in comfy casual outfits. While Kareena is in Mumbai after she finished shooting her scenes for the film Lal Singh Chaddha, Anushka is cheering for cricketer husband Virat Kohli in Dubai, where he is playing in a tournament.
In an industry where women artists are sidelined after marriage and work, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Anushka Sharma are setting new benchmarks for striking a work-life balance. Kareena Kapoor Khan just finished filming for her film Lal Singh Chaddha, and Anushka Sharma is winning a lot of praise for the content that's emerging from her production house. Both these mom-to-be are proving that women can be artists and moms with equal passion.
Kareena, who is already a doting mother to the adorable little Taimur, is all set to be a mother of two early next year. Unlike many other Bollywood leading ladies who often keep a low profile during their pregnancy and often take a step back from work or find themselves with fewer offers after embracing motherhood, Kareena has worked hard to stay amongst the most wanted actors even after 2 decades in the business. She made public appearances through her first pregnancy and was back on set less than a year after he was born. Is baar bhi she is setting new benchmarks in Bollywood for female actors by working on her film Lal Singh Chaddha while being pregnant with her second child. The actor was recently spotted with husband Saif while taking a walk in her neighborhood. And we couldn't help but notice her adorable baby bump that she made no efforts to hide under layers of clothes. Kareena also seems to be keeping casual and comfy with this pregnancy, and while she was often spotted with designer maternity outfits the first time around, this time it's kaftans, jeans and shirts and loose dresses for the actor. Kareena के साथ-साथ Anushka has also been enjoying her pregnancy and is spending lots of quality time with husband Virat Kohli in Dubai. Anushka and Virat, who are expecting their first child, made an adorable social media announcement about their khushkhabri, and Anushka's sweet little baby bump also has its social media debut. Anushka, who has taken a sabbatical from acting to focus on production, has been in some chic and comfy maternity clothes as she supports her husband's team. Most recently, she was seen in a gorgeous red dress that enhanced her maternal glow. She accessorized her elegant mommy-to-be dress with large gold hoop earrings and a matching wristwatch, continuing with her elegant and minimalistic style even through her pregnancy. It's so amazing to see women rewrite the rules in Bollywood by continuing to do what they are passionate about, even as they prepare to take on personal responsibilities and embrace the joy of motherhood. We wish Kareena and Anushka lots of good health and hope they have safe and healthy pregnancies and, of course, super cute babies.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handles and digital platforms. Also, don't forget to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on Bollywood and your favorite Bollywood celebrities. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now. Wishing everybody a very happy Dussehra once again. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Until next time, it's goodbye.